Frederic Fekkai Ageless Overnight Hair Repair. Redken Diamond Oil Shampoo. Arbonne RN9 Advanced Cellular Renewal Masque. Philip the Out Royal Conditioner. Tom Ford Beauty Contouring Cheek Color Duo in Stroked. Moroccanoil Hydrating Styling Cream. Krastase Initialiste. Burberry Thick Dry Finishing Spray. Shiseido Face Color Enhancing Trio in Peach. Luminous Essence Absolute Nourishing Protective Oil. Burberry Fresh Glow Luminous Fluid Base in Nude Radiance. YSL All-in-One BB Cream in Medium. Aveda Rosemary Mint Bath Bar. La Prairie Skin Caviar Concealer Foundation SPF 15. L'Occitane Shea Butter Ultra Rich Body Cream. Luminous Eyelash Curler. SkinCeuticals C E Ferulic. NARS Audacious Lipstick in Angela. DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. YSL Volume Effect Faux Cils Mascara. Harry Josh Pro Tools Dryer 2000. Clairisonic Cleaning System.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.